Hey, hi, I'm Anjali and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I don't know how that sounded, but yeah. So, so I really wanted to make this series. It's not even a series, but like this video, specifically like alone in Hyderabad, since this is all very new to me. Like, after college time and then spending my time alone with my flatmates, but like not exactly my dearly friends, I would say. But like throughout all my life, I have always had my loved ones, my people, I would like to say. Like before college, I had my parents, my few of my school friends with me to share things with, to how to just cheer me up or to let me do my own things or whatever. And like during college, I met these amazing folks, and like, and I've always had them around me, like almost all of the days, to cheer me up, to just do my assignments together, and like working on my projects together, or maybe going out or whatever. But like after college, it took me a few weeks to realize that I don't really have any direct access to them, and it just triggered me like in a very in a positive way only, I would say. That I got to realize that I'm so very dependent on them to do any sort of activity, any sort of things. I mean, I really love them, but that codependency, was sort of growing onto me, I would say. And that just sort of, also stopped me to go out. I would be like, okay, let me just wait for them. Like, let me just wait for her. Whenever she is done with her maybe deadlines or whatever, then maybe, we'll go out and all. But like, also, this is more like me getting comfortable by myself with like my own company. I know this might sound like very preachy, very what, very cringy also, but I really wanted to do this. I have done like going out alone, just maybe like I can count them on my fingers. I mean, in this video also, it wasn't like that I've been out a lot. No, I wouldn't say. I can actually count on my fingers, and all these activities have been done by me all throughout these couple of months, maybe 4 or 5 months. And yeah, I won't say really that I did a lot of things. It was basic activities that I would like to do. And since just going out in a cafe, or like eating my dinner or lunch alone, and then having a book with me, and then going for some dance workshops, that was one thing that I did. So yeah, so the main idea is that the main idea is that to get comfortable with me, firstly. Secondly it is what, for you and for me to have an enjoyable time with me just seeing me, watching me doing some things, I would say. And like, like through these couple of activities, or just going out alone, it just, it takes a lot of courage from my side itself. Like, even going to that samne wala supermarket or grocery shop, it like, I give a lot of thought. Do I have any company? Can I take someone? Like, just to go there so that like I can do things. It takes me like that. I have to constantly motivate myself to do certain things. That is true. But yeah, now I think I'm just blabbering around. But you got the gist, right? I really hope that you enjoy this, you enjoy watching this, and you have a good time. So yeah, let's get started, I guess. Am I too overdressed? I think so. I'm so excited for this dance, man. So I think first activity that I'm doing all alone. Just excited, that's all. Done with my first ever demo dance class. But I don't understand. How do people look like they are just fresh out of spa, you know? I look dead, like dead. Uh, Anyways, we'll catch you later. Bye bye.
Youngest person, which is the youngest son, daughter, other of the family. This person of the family, vis-a-vis the shortest person of the family, not even beta male, Charlie male, Delta male, Eka male, some maybe Zulu male. अरे वाह, Life is good. He is kind, he's so sweet. He smells alright from his head to feet. Can't believe.
It was such a lovely show, I would say. I'm glad I came. Even though I reached like 40 minutes late, but I think it was worth it. Worth the time. I even got a picture with him and I talked to him. Most importantly, I talked to him. He's so humble and sweet, man. Glad I came. पता नहीं क्यों पेशेंट वो कहता रहा आउट ऑफ बजट वाले एरियाज़ में जाके मैं उनके प्राइसेस पूछ रही हूँ एंड आई एम जस्ट एक्सपेक्टिंग कि उनके पास कुछ तो होगा मेरे बजट में बट लाइक यू शुड जस्ट फोकस ऑन व्हाट आई केम हियर फॉर दैट्स ऑल. See if I get this. I don't think so. Wow, yeah, this looks good though. But I don't think so I can save it till Diwali. For home, my mom asked me to bring some chocolates. And bro, I'll eat it today only. No use. This looks good. I swear to God, this looks good. But I think I'm getting this. This is something unique. Swastik mein diya and this, bro. I think I'm good to go from here at least. Hey, I am also ready. This might be one of the last parts of what I want to do as an activity in Alone, like just for this video, Alone in Hyderabad. And to be honest, this is one of my favorite artists. His name is Kiran, Mr. Kiran ji, and I think he takes classes in Mumbai. The thing is, as far as I have seen in his videos and everything, it seems like the steps are easy. They are very fun to do, I would say. Like, especially I love his expressions. And I'm just hoping that I can do the bare minimum at least, even after, like, it's a 2-hour long workshop. And I'm not really sure. I never do anything properly. I know if I try to record things, I'm going to mess it up so badly. But yeah, let's do it. The workshop starts at 2. It's a 2-hour long one, so like 2 to 4 p.m. And I think it's around like 1:15 right now. So yeah, let's do it. I think I'm all ready. Hi. Oh my god, I'm so done. I got done with the dance, and my god, I think I did a bit better than what I did like last time or any time I do any sort of a dance. I'm so happy. Oh my god. Dude, people are so confident. I don't think so I am. Like, how so? I don't know. Your outfit does play a huge role, but like, oh my god, this was huge for me. And he did it so elegantly. Like all the three of the choreographers, they did it so elegantly, so beautifully. They were so confident. The expressions, the energy, everything. I love it. I love it so much. So well, now I am heading towards this one bookstore that I have been meaning to go for a long time. Like I don't know. It goes by the name Luna Bookstore. A lot of people have recommended me that, and I saw that once in my college, during my college, but it was raining so heavily that like I couldn't find any auto to go. So like that plan just got dropped off. But yeah, I'm doing it now. When is the better time than now? So yeah, let's go. Well, now this is some place, quite a place, I would say. It's so pretty, it's so aesthetic. It's like, I don't know, it's very, you know, like artsy, but in like a historic way. But it's not historic is what I can see. But I've never seen such a cozy bookstore, you know, like it's giving me a bit of a cafe vibe. But it's so pretty, dude. Not just, but like it was like last to last book that I read. So yes, quaint was the word I was looking for earlier. Dude, they have a really nice collection of books. I do really want to, you know, read few of them, but I'm not going to buy them. I know where to get them from for a bit cheaper. Yeah, I'm not kidding. But yeah, I didn't realize I was there for like about, or I think more than an hour. I also like started reading this book called The Wall, I think by John Lanchester, if I'm not wrong. And I was just sitting there and then reading. I don't know, it was maybe my mind was half into it and half not. I don't know, it just felt a bit weirdly disturbing, but it wasn't. I don't think so. The premise of that book says so, but you got the gist, right? And half of the time I was just browsing that whole bookstore. It's actually really pretty, man. I would like to have a place like this. So I thought I saw a coffee shop nearby, and now I think got a bit lost. Well, I am back from my dance, and since I had coffee in the cafe and my back was paining a hell lot and I wanted to sleep for a while, but I just couldn't because I had coffee in the cafe. So yeah, now I'm up, and yeah, I do want to share a lot of things, I guess. like from today, especially today. So this guy, you know, the choreographer, Mr. Kiran. Oh my god, he has such a, you know, golden retriever energy. Like, I'm not even kidding. And like him and like the two other choreographers that came with him. I think one was Mansa and Lehek or Mehek. Shit, I don't remember the second one's name. But I know, like, I have seen all the three of them on their Instagram page. And like, they are fabulous, like, fabulous energy, the expressions and everything. And I have been like, since I have discovered them, I have been wishing like almost daily that when when are these people coming to Hyderabad? Why is like everyone, all the performers or artists that I really like, all of them are based in Mumbai? Can they not be like in some other cities and not Mumbai or even Delhi? Hyderabad also exists. Yeah, just be here. But anyways, apparently I got to know that it was his like second class in Hyderabad, like second time coming over here. Anyways, so like, I am in awe with the confidence that everybody carries. And like, this guy even brought his dog, and his name is Loki. And like, people were playing over and petting him and all. I was like, wow, this is so amazing. This was such a beautiful experience. You know, I've been to like few dance workshops. Okay, I agree that like my sample set is pretty small, not that huge, but this one carried some sort of a different vibe and energy, you know, like his way of teaching, Sileka, like he himself was like, we all are human beings. You don't have to, you know, be perfect and all. It will take you a lot of practice to get there. Even I make mistakes, so don't worry. And then this particular song, I was excited for the song, I was excited for the choreographers, and then the dog was just a surprise, a very beautiful surprise. And like, you know, like I'll tell you. So like, as he himself said, that like, we dancers / dance learners are the slaves to, you know, to the music and to the music. And like, you have to go with how the music's tone is going on. Like, you have to like make your body, or like, you have to feel like that. And since that song was, I don't know if it was like Sunidhi Chauhan's comeback or something, I'm not really sure. But yeah, so like, you know, the few of the steps like these, he specifically asked that all of them was like a normal, you know, subtle, what do you say, popping and whatever it's called. And you're not supposed to do dhak dhak, like pura dhinchak wale style mein nahi karna tha. But like, me being me, I just watched those videos, and I think most of them like very thoda dhinchaki. But anyways, I'm really proud of myself, like the way it turned out. It's not perfect at all. It's not perfect. I mean, perfect is such a wrong word, but it's, you know, I'll tell you. It's, what is it? By the way, how good of an idea it is to drink hot beverage during summers. It's not even summers yet, it's February. It's like mid-Feb. And it's, I think, above 32 degrees. Where was I? Shit, where was I?